Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about some basic concepts. First one is wavelength. Distance between two similar position or points in a wave is known as wavelength. This is rest position, this is crest and this is trough. Distance between two similar position means distance between two crest is called wavelength. Distance between two trough is called wavelength. Combination of one crest and one trough is called one wave. Here completion of one wave, here second wave. Distance of one wave is called also wavelength. Wave number, number of wavelengths per unit length is called wave number. If take, this is rest position. If assumed it is in 1 centimeter, here number of waves equals to 10. If waves are 10, number of waves per 1 centimeter means 10 waves per 1 centimeter is called wave number. Amplitude, the height of crest or depth of the trough of a wave is called amplitude. If take one wave, see this is height of crest is called amplitude. Electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic spectrum, the arrangement of different radiations in the increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with equal velocities. Gamma rays to long radio waves, increasing order of wavelengths and decreasing order of frequencies. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.